Hey guys, it's Ginger. I am super excited because this weekend I'm offering a class on Saturday between 9 and 12:30 at my studio. And it is going to be using the jelly plate, which is also mono printing. We'll be using lots of acrylics. Jelly plate, as I said, we'll be making lots of papers like this. We will be using these amazing watercolor pencils and crayons to add highlights. We'll be using old-fashioned buttons and some little nails that we'll end up nailing things on. And we will end up making a cute, precious, fun little piece that will be customized by you in your color scheme and your theme, all ready for you to leave and take home and hang in your house, wherever you would like and however you'd like to make it. Again, this weekend, Saturday, 9 to 12:30 at my studio. Check below for details and for the link to be able to sign up for the class. Limited number of seats. Look forward to seeing y'all.